It's T from TCUTME here today, and today I am in the shop. Um, our governor here in Maryland told all non-essential workers, meaning barbers, and all of us alike, to stop working. So, what am I doing here at the shop? I've been selling products like crazy. I want to hip y'all to these products right here. If you never heard of Decade Plus and you're in the Maryland, check me out and I'll get you hooked up with some of these products. These are the best natural products I have used thus far. I've been around this industry since I was 5. I am now 28, so you do the math. I'm not going to tell you how many years that is. It's the best product I ever seen. Well, these are the best products I ever seen used. There's one other product that I will enlist in there, but that's more so for professional use, to be honest. But these products are the real deal, from the pomade to the scalp to the scalp treatment. And the scalp treatment is awesome. There's no product I ever saw that gets rid of flakes that well in one use. And then not only get rid of the flakes and moisturize the scalp, like you can really see the scalp is moisturized. Conditioner is awesome. The pomade is awesome. The spray tame is a hydrator. It's awesome. I love all their products. But I was sold completely on the scalp treatment therapy. I keep saying it wrong, whatever. I'm gonna pull it up. Scalp therapy treatment. Completely sold on this product. Now, I think I should cut this up and show you some results of some clients that I have done this on, right? So I can't show you on the phone. It's probably likely not going to come out good. But what I will do is cut this video a little bit and I'll show you the results of this product right here. And I just want to let you guys see the product. Read it a little bit till you correct scalp disorders, exfoliates, builds up of oil, sebum, hair follicle strengthener and cleanser, promotes thicker, fuller hair, stimulates circulation when massaged. Let me get this light right so it stop doing that. Stimulates circulation when massaged into the scalp, reduces hair loss at the scalp. Now anytime they talk about hair loss or anything like that, I want to test it first before I tell people it'll grow their hair back. I'll never do that without testing it, so that is to be announced, but we'll see. All these other things I could definitely vouch for. Protects balance of oil production, stop itchy flakes. I use this on my hair every day, so I can tell you, like, this product right here does everything it says it's supposed to do. I am definitely at the end of this video. I hope y'all hang in on there with me. I am going to show you some results of that product on some eczema, on some just dry scalp, on dirty hair. You'll see these clients of mine scalp extremely clean, squeaky clean. And I've been their barber for a few years, and some of them I've never saw their scalp and their hair this clean. So like I said, I vouch for that product. If you're in the cosmetology field, if you do anything with people's head and scalp, you should be promoting scalp and hair health. You don't want to work in a dirty environment, so promote your clients to have a clean environment, one. And you want their hair to do the best. A lot of them want to grow their hair. A lot of them just want to have natural, clean, good-looking hair and want no thinning spots. So look into these products and look into all good products as well. So that's what I've been doing lately, selling that. The shampoo bowl. I am now putting the shampoo bowls together locally for local pickup for around $1,000. Well, starting at $1,000. We got to talk about the model you want and everything, specifically with around $1,000. And I can put the shampoo bowl together for you, depending on shipping. We're looking like around 10 to 14 days max, but it just depends on the Amazon and the shipping, and you feel what I'm saying? Some things I can get local picked up, but some things I can't right now, so we'll figure that out. But outside of that, I've been doing one other thing. Instacart. Instacart has been crazy lately. Nobody wants to pick up their groceries. Nobody wants to go grocery shopping. People are staying in because we pretty much been told to do so, right? So Instacart been awesome lately. I don't know if you ever did Uber. It's like when Uber first started, when there wasn't that many drivers on there, and you'll make $150 on Uber easily. Instacart is like that right now because they have way more orders than people than they have delivering them. So if you need an extra $100 a day, you can do that on Instacart. There's another one called Shoppers. Now Shoppers will take you a few more days to get verified. Instagram 4 days for the background typically, and then they give you they connect your card to Apple Pay, so you can work instantly after your background check is approved. Now with Shoppers, or Shipt, that's the second one, Shipt with a PT. So Shipt, background check took around 4 days. Then they had to send me a physical card, and this physical card, that joint took like 10 days to come, probably longer. So Shipt, I couldn't start getting money right away. With Instacart, I started getting money within that 4 days. Made over 200 in it already, doing it here and there. I'm going to do it all day tomorrow. I'm going to do it all day Monday. I'm going all day Tuesday. All my off days, I'm going to do it. And my goal is to at least make $100 off it a piece. I'm telling you, this definitely can be done. If you got any type of income that has not been coming in, you could compensate a little bit with that. I will say, get some products too. Your clients need products. All the hair stores are closed. So if they're in need of products, they can get products from you, because there's not many other places they can get it from. Yeah, they could order them online, but if you have it right there for them and they trust you and they already been coming to you, then boom, you can make that sell. Let me think of one other thing that I've been doing. Yeah, that's been pretty much it for the most part. And just, of course, not trying to spend too much on nothing else outside of the things I got to spend it on. But yeah, that's it, man. I hope y'all stay corona free. I hope this little crazy C void thing don't mess up your business too much. Don't allow it to. I will say use your common sense. Now, they closed shops and salons. They did not tell you cannot use your license, okay? I want you to understand that. They did not tell you could not use your license, all right? So don't stop using your license. You'll fall behind. You won't be able to pay for anything. So don't take it as, hey, they'll fix this. We just got to stay at home. I don't think it's that type of deal. I think you definitely should take the precautions. You should mask up. Your clients should mask up. You should glove up if possible. Wash your hands. Keep everything everything sanitized from head to toe everywhere. But they told you not to use the shop and not to use the salons. They did not say you couldn't use your license, all right? I want people to make sure they know that, all right? So be safe out here. Gotta get your money however you gotta get it. And if I come up with any other ways to get more money, you know I'm gonna bring it to y'all. But that's it, T from TCUTME, and I'm about to get out of here, go sell some stuff.